All right, so the next thing we're gonna do, I'm on page 1, and I am gonna set up the front page of my notebook, okay? And on this front page, I am gonna put just a bunch of information about the class, and it just sucks that we have to copy it down, right? And normally we just give this to you on a piece of paper, but it's gonna be nice that you have it, and it's all there, and this is kind of like what a syllabus would say, right? So you're gonna write algebra, course info. Okay, and this is like the kind of information that you might go to look at a syllabus later and want. The grade categories in this class. Oof, that is not how you spell categories. Categories is 40% assessments, that's tests and quizzes. Okay, 40% assignments. And 20% based on your notebook. So you're getting a good start on that right now. Okay. For this class, the materials you need your notebook. Super important that you have a notebook. Okay, obviously you're working on it right now. You need a pencil, okay? Get in the habit of working in pencil, not pen, because when we make mistakes, we don't want to have to cross them out. We just want to erase them because mistakes are great. That's how we learn in math. But we want our work to be neat too. Okay, calculator would be good. Okay. All right, so then we're gonna write down when office hours are. So if you're ever in need of some support, you know where to find us. Okay, virtual office hours are Tuesday and Friday from 1:30 to 2:30, and they're just right in the algebra Google Meet, right? Like the same you go to for class. And if you are in our in-person hybrid program, even better, those office hours are Wednesday and Thursday. And those are right after school, so from 12:40 to 1:25. And you'll notice they're shorter, but the thing is in person, we get stuff done faster, so it's okay that they're shorter. And then just for calendar reference, we have a few days off this semester. So this way you'll just know and you'll be able to take a look if you're like, wait, do we have school Monday? We don't have school these next 2 Mondays. And then spring break is towards the beginning of April. And then Memorial Day in May. And the rest of the days we're in school. So you should be here. Okay, and then if you ever need to contact us, either me or Mr. Gain, Google Chat is really like the easiest. It's easy for you. It's easy for us. Okay, a great thing to do, especially like if you have problems with the internet. This is a phone app too. Like when you Google Chat me, it just comes right up on my phone. Kind of convenient. Okay. You can use it with your friends too, even, right? And then the last thing we're gonna put here is just for you to reference about your notebook. So here's how the notebook's gonna be, and you could just kind of draw, let me make sure you can see. Okay, there's 2 sides of your notebook, okay? On this side is all the even numbered pages. So there's always even numbers on the left side. So that's 2, 4, 6, 8, and numbers that end in 0. Those are all even. So like, right, the next page after this one is page 2. Then the next, then there's 3 on the right, and then 4, and so on. All the even numbers are on the left, and all the odd numbers are over here. Odd numbers are like this. Okay, and if you misnumber your pages, it's gonna screw it up. So don't, just try to be careful. Because what we're gonna do is mostly on the even side. This is where I'm gonna give you notes, I'm gonna give you information. This is where you're like getting information from me. And then you'll be able to take that information and work with it on the right side, right? So this is where you'll put practice problems, and we're gonna really work hard this semester to make sure your practice is organized too, so you can really reference it. So we're gonna make sure that you always number the problems. Let me write out the word, you can use that #, hashtag. Always number the problems, okay? Like you saw in the notebook check, like I might say like, okay, what's problem number 3 on page 15? All right, make sure you number the problems and work neatly. And why? Because you're gonna be able to go back to that and reference it, right? Like if you're taking a quiz and you have all these practice problems that you've already done, it makes the quiz a lot easier, okay? So there we go, that is page 1.